Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the screens from your windows. I have a couple of examples of window screens that need to be removed. These are both single hung windows, meaning that only the bottom sash goes up and down. Now, depending on the type of window that you have, if it's a double hung, you may notice that you have screens that extend all the way up, covering both window panes. Or if you have casement windows, that's an entirely different screen altogether, but they all come off and out similarly. On this particular unit, you need to actually tilt the window in to expose the tabs that you're going to release. They're spring loaded, and then you'll just gently pull the screen in and then pull the entire screen out. You can either make the repair yourself if you need to repair the screen, or you could take it into your local participating Ace store. On this other window, it's a similar unit where the tabs are a little bit different. It's spring loaded as well, and you grab onto the two tabs, pull down on the window, and push out. You're going to need someone on the exterior of the home to grab the window as well. So it's both an inside and outside application to remove the screen. Coming up next, my video on how to replace the screen on a screen door.